what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So, since tomorrow is Jannamastami, I have decided to show you how to make an Indian sweet which is chocolate peda, for which you require 1/4 cup of ghee, 2 cups of milk powder, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.